I'll give you an instance, ठीक है. एक बच्ची आती है,
हाँ.
she is 18-19 year old.
हम्म.
अभी उसको इस दुनिया में आना है,
हम्म.
अभी कुछ करना है यार. उसको कुछ भी नहीं पता, ज़ीरो बैकग्राउंड, ज़ीरो कनेक्शंस, बट शी इज़ वेरी पैशनेट अबाउट what people are doing, what she's seeing, what people are actually doing and what people are actually achieving. तो आपके पास आती है, तो how should she start this?
I think networking is very important in this industry. आप कहीं पे भी जाओ, whether it's any kind of a shoot, network with
नहीं,
people.
पहले तो शूट पे जाना है.
हाँ.
How do we get there?
Okay, that
So
way.
yeah, what are the criterias that she needs to have? Where should she go? What should she actually do in order to
Right.
at least reach one step ahead? Like
Right.
एक step, one step at a time बोलते हैं ना वो.
Correct.
Yeah.
So I think in this industry, having a portfolio is very important. So I'd recommend her to, first create her portfolio. Who are you? Show your profiles, your pictures. It is important, not just because of how you look, but because does this face match the character the director or the writer has in mind. So for that basis, first create your portfolio, create your entire intro, everything. Have those things ready with you. And then I think in today's time, the best invention, if you ask me, for actors is social media. Everything is out there. Casting calls, casting pages, people looking for auditions, open auditions, home auditions, everything is available. Follow those pages, network with those pages through your social media. Share your pictures when you're asked for them from the authentic source. If that is done, baki ka depends on luck, Bhagwan ji. And of course, if your face matches that character. Eventually, when you do get your first shoot, start networking. Networking is so important. I can't even begin from how. Because any industry, whether you look at, but since we're talking about acting, in acting industry, तो networking is like a stamp वाला important, that important. थप्पा लगवा लो कि अगर आपने networking किया, कहीं ना कहीं वो networking वापस आता ही है. कुछ भी शूट हो, कोई भी प्रिंट शूट हो, कैंपेन शूट हो, एडवर्टाइजमेंट हो, बिल्ड योर कॉन्टैक्ट, शेयर योर कॉन्टैक्ट्स. कहीं कल कुछ रिक्वायरमेंट होगी, आपको बुलाएंगे, कहीं आपको कोई रिक्वायरमेंट होगी, आपको उनकी याद आएगी. तो इट गोज लाइक दैट, हैंड इन हैंड चलता है.
Okay.
अगर ये चीज़ें करेंगे तो शायद होपफुली शी विल गेट हर ब्रेक एंड शी विल बी एबल टू गो अहेड.
Super.
Like I'm still looking for mine, but I started off like this, so I'm just saying.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'll give you same instance.
Yeah.
Here I'm talking about a 45-year-old female and she suddenly has this urge to actually मैं ना कॉलेज में अच्छी एक्टिंग कर लेती थी यार, मैं डांसिंग भी ठीक ठाक ही कर लेती हूँ, सिंगिंग भी कर लेती हूँ, तो कुछ तो होगा अगर मैं जाऊँगी, कुछ तो होगा. ये मेंटालिटी लेके चलती है वो बंदी. तो what happens to her?
45-year-old.
How should she start?
Same way. Because
Start from the
yeah,
scratch.
start from scratch.
Yeah.
Always, wherever, it's never too late to start. In fact, I think, of course, I know it's not immediately related to acting, but yesterday or day before yesterday, I posted about this person. I forget her name. I think it was Mariette McFerry. She's 90 years old and she just got her degree in English literature.
Wow.
And when I saw that, I
We
was
have
so-
exceptional women.
yeah, exceptional woman. I was inspired. I said, if a 90-year-old woman can pursue her degree, why are anybody from any age group complaining that we are old? Nobody is old enough.
Yes.
So
Okay.
even if you're 45, if you start from scratch and if you're really passionate about it, you'll find your role.
वो तो डिग्री है यार, ये तो एक्टिंग है.
डिग्री भी हो जाएगा, एक्टिंग भी हो जाएगा, दोनों.
यहाँ पे कौन सी एक्टर 50 ईयर की है?
अरे नहीं, कितने सारे रोल्स है. टेल मी, हाउ वुड अ मूवी.
You mean to say she has to forget about being an actor as heroine and then maybe कुछ और मिल जाएगा, कोई और मिल जाएगा
Not
रोल.
necessarily. Even movies which are made nowadays can be made even on a 45-year-old movie. It's not only about the age. It's also about how your face matches with that character. For example, take any movie which is a super hit, your personal favorite movie. Can that movie be a movie if all the characters were not involved? And are all the characters 20, 25? No.
Super.
For example, my personal favorite, I love Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. But in that movie, I see there are so many people from different age groups. Whether it's Farida
नहीं,
ma'am,
मुझे मैं बस यही the whole gist of it was last decade में जो movies हुए थे,
हाँ.
तो सारे characters को हम भी याद रखते थे.
Correct.
तो अभी क्या हो रहा है, या तो एक बंदे को याद रखो या उसके साथ जो बंदी है उसको याद रखो, है ना. कोई सपोर्टिंग कैरेक्टर हो गया, कोई वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पर्सन, उसको इतना इम्पोर्टेंस देते ही नहीं है ना.
आई थिंक जो हम कर रहे हैं ना गलतियाँ पे एज एन ऑडियंस, हमने हीरोइन की डेफिनेशन ही बहुत गलत समझा है. हमें लगता है कि somebody with more screen time is a heroine and somebody who does not have screen time becomes a supporting actor. But this was never said in any book or anywhere. If you personally ask me, I feel like कहीं पे भी नहीं लिखा है कि अगर आपका स्क्रीन टाइम कम हुआ तो आप हीरोइन नहीं रहे. हीरोइन तो हर, इफ यूर अ वुमन एंड यू आर प्लेइंग अ रोल, यूर अ हीरोइन. If you're a man and you're playing a role, you're a hero. बस जो हमने एज एन ऑडियंस किया है ना कि somebody who's here on screen for 2 hours, लेकिन वो ना कम दिखा तो वो साइड एक्टर बन गया. यही माइंडसेट हमको चेंज करना है एज एन ऑडियंस.
तो
तब जाके
कम दिखने क्यों कम दिखाना है, कम ही दिखाओ मगर इतना पावरफुल दिखाओ कि हम लोग याद रखें.
Yes, yes, I
ना?
agree with you.
हाँ,
Perfect.
क्योंकि कोई फादर रोल बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट
हाँ.
रोल है, उसको दो शॉट्स दे दिए, फिर उसके
Correct.
बाद नहीं आएगा वो कभी.
बस
कभी
exactly.
पूरे मूवी में नहीं आएगा वो.
Exactly. If you personally ask me, I loved the movie Bajrangi Bhaijaan and Nawazuddin Siddiqui's
Oh my
character.
God.
Nothing,
I remember.
and nobody can redo
Yeah.
what he did. And he did not have as much as screen time as Salman sir had.
Yes, yes.
But again, both of them, they
But
played
he
such
marked
an
it
impactful
just
role.
right. Yeah. It was all, we remember बजरंगी भाईजान, मतलब बजरंगी ये है, भाईजान वही है.
वही है. तो वही जो बॉन्ड बन गया दोनों
Yes.
का, हम सब ने पूरा भारत रोया है वो देख
Yes,
के, because
yes.
उसमें था वो पूरा
Very
film में
effective.
impact.
Yes.
तो सिमिलरली कई सारे फिल्म है ऐसे कि अगर आपने एज एन एक्टर अपना 100% दिया ना, तो आपका स्क्रीन टाइम 2 मिनट का भी क्यों ना हो, आपको लोग याद रखेंगे ही जरूर. देयर वाज आल्सो अ बुक अबाउट सम एक्टर. व्हेन आई वाज इन 10th standard, we had this in our English book, in our NCERT book. This whole story, I forget the name. It was about an actor who all he had to do was just read a newspaper. He does it in 3 different impactful ways, and everybody at the end of the day forgets everything, but only that guy. Like, who is that guy? Why is he done just reading newspapers so nicely that you can never forget him?
Wow. Yes.
So it's all about how you play your role, how creative can you get, and थोड़ा है, थोड़े की ही जरूरत है.
हाँ, वही
ये
तो.
मन में रखना है. बस ये गाना भी तो था हिंदी में,
Correct.
थोड़ा है, थोड़े की जरूरत है. अगर आपके पास इतना है तो आप इसको ऐसे कैसे बना सकते हो, ये आप पे डिपेंड करता है.
Okay.
तो बस
So you mean to say there is hard work,
100%.
that you have to be hopeful,
Absolutely.
and you should never expect anything from the industry.
Yeah, I don't expect anything from anyone.
Yeah, okay.
हाँ.
That's the basic rule. You have made it like,
yeah, my
no.
personal rule कि किसी से एक्सपेक्टेशन ही मत
मत
रखो,
रखो.
तो खुशी रहोगे. किसी ने हाय बोले तो भी खुशी रहोगे, क्योंकि एक्सपेक्ट तो आपने कुछ किया ही नहीं था.
हाँ.
तो हाय आए तो वाह, हाय आ गया मुझे, ठीक है चलो बढ़िया. नहीं आया तो मैंने एक्सपेक्ट किया ही नहीं था, तो मैं खुश हूँ.
Alright.